Are you all ready for this? Okay. So are you all ready for this? Here. Huh. Peekaboo, I see you. Okay. Well, final day. I guess I'm gonna have to clean all the clean everything up here in the that squeaking noise is the door. I'm gonna have to need some more. I'm gonna have to need some more of a garage door lube here pretty soon. Well, because I'm almost getting ready to run out here about a few minutes. So, well, I'm gonna re-lube the springs, everybody, and I'm just gonna re-lube the springs here. Well, because if I don't take, wait until I'm done. Yes. Yeah. So take this. Don't put too much on the springs because they could explode bad. So I haven't done these. This thing. So yeah, I'm gonna open the door up now and give her a test. Stop! Hold on. Hit the button. All right, push the button on the walls. Here we go. I guess maybe we'll give it a try. All right, everybody. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. So, all right, now let's give it a try and see what they do. At that. Not done. Not done yet. Now he's not done yet. Yes, everything works. All right, Dad. You can come out. You can. All right, thanks for watching. That was just a 4-minute video.